In this video, I'll guide you through how to record a Webex meeting. Whether you're looking to capture important discussions, training sessions, or simply want to revisit a meeting later, recording your Webex meetings can be incredibly helpful. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to record with ease and confidence. To start, open up your web browser and head over to webex.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. This is your main hub for accessing all of Webex's features, including the ability to schedule and join meetings. Next, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Meetings. This will direct you to a page where all your scheduled meetings are listed, making it easy to manage your calendar and access the meeting you wish to record. Once you've selected the meeting you want to record, click Start. This button will initiate the process and open up the meeting window. If you're the host, you'll have full control over the meeting settings and recording options. After the meeting window has opened, you'll see another Start Meeting button. Click on it to officially begin the meeting. This is an important step as the recording feature is only accessible once the meeting is live. Now, direct your attention to the top of your browser window. Here, you'll find the extension section. This is where you'll access the recording feature. Click on Meeting Recording. This might appear as a small icon or button depending on your browser's setup. This feature allows you to capture both the audio and video of the meeting, ensuring you don't miss any crucial information. Before you start recording, you'll want to click on Audio and Video to ensure that both components are set to be recorded. This ensures that you capture the full experience of the meeting, including any shared presentations or speaker comments. Double check your microphone and speaker settings here to ensure everything is working correctly. Once everything is set up and the meeting is underway, you can sit back and let Webex do the work. When the meeting concludes or you've recorded the necessary segments, it's time to stop the recording. Simply click Stop, and your recording will save automatically. Depending on your settings, you might find the recording saved directly to your computer, or it could be stored in the cloud, accessible through your Webex account. And there you have it. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to record a Webex meeting. By following these steps, you can ensure that all your important discussions are captured for future reference. Remember to always inform participants that the meeting is being recorded, as it's important to respect privacy and legal guidelines. Thank you for watching and happy recording.